everyone, I'm Shun the Mani Invented Up, and this is the PenPal. It gives you a smart introspection of your studies and chops away all your distractions. It neatly collects and loads all your data in the form of charts in the application. Now, it has got near its tip a touch capacitive sensor, so it can sense when you are actually using the pen and when not, and a tilt sensor to detect if you're spinning the pen or using it for studying. Now, once I start using the pen, it will turn off the blue light and switch on the pen via the servo. Now, let's suppose that I do not use it for 5 minutes. Then it will buzz off and indicate that I have not used the pen, and until I start using it, the buzz will not stop. It has got a light over here which enables someone to study at night. Also, if you do not use it for the fixed time, then it will automatically switch off the pen via the servo. Now, for the application, we can connect the device via Bluetooth and load the values which it will present in the form of a chart for a more concentrated introspection. Now, as you can see, I used the pen for 5 minutes. So it is showing over here time spent studying 5 minutes, swing the pen 10 minutes, and duration of no usage is 19 minutes. And my favorite is the Pomodoro study scheduler. So you can set for how much time you want to study and take a particular interval break. Example, studying for 25 minutes and break for 5 minutes. And then again the cycle restarts. This is called the Pomodoro technique and is very helpful to bring complete focus on your task. So I can click on the study duration and set the duration, for example 10 minutes, and let's set the break duration to 5 minutes. Now it will show over here in the chart, and I can send the values to the ESP32 board. Now if I do not use it or use it for 10 minutes or do not use it for 5 minutes, it will buzz off. While this pen takes its time, let me show you the other feature of the application, the leaderboard feature. So over here, to give you a competitive spirit and make you study more, it has got a leaderboard. Basically, in here, you can enter your name, for example, Shun the Mani. And as you can see, it shows the time spent studying, and accordingly, in descending order, it will arrange the names so that everyone can see who is studying more. As you can see, the pen has started buzzing, and I have to use it to stop the buzz and the light. So it switches on the pen, and now I can use it. This device is specifically made for studying mathematics or for mathematics students, as in mathematics you always have to use the pen, whereas in subjects you can use your computer. As you can see, the study time is over and it started beeping.